Hello everyone, welcome back to Drive Your Logic. Today I'm going to show you simplification using BODMAS rule. So what do you mean by BODMAS? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. That means we need to open the bracket first, then off means like this off means multiplication only, but then we will multiply it here. Then you have to do the division, this division part, okay? This division part. Then we have to do multiplication. So then addition and then subtraction. So we will proceed in this way. So let's start the sum. So first one, we have to open the bracket. We have to finish the bracket. But here in this sum, can you see the dash 9 minus 3? Here there is one dash. So we need to open the bracket. Before that, we need to solve that dash. So we will do how? 5 by 8 of same question, just you write down simple way. 24 plus 9 minus 3 we have to solve first. So plus 9 minus 3 plus minus minus we have to do, that is 6, and sign of the bigger digit, that is this one, plus 6. So second bracket, this is third bracket, divide by 4. Then our next step will be 5 by 8 of 8 plus 4. We will open this bracket. So we will put a multiplication sign because here of means 4 into this bracket means multiplication. Okay. So 24 plus 6 is 30. So this first bracket is opened. Now we have to open the second bracket. That means inside second bracket 4 into 30 we need to solve. So 5 by 8 of 8 plus, why plus? If there is plus, so plus into something, that means plus only we will keep it. So 4 into 30 is how much? 120. Second bracket done. 4. Now I'll continue here. So 5 by 8 of all the brackets we are doing, okay? So 8 plus 120 is how much? 1, 2, 8 divide by 4. So we can write down this one. So but here you see off we have to do first. So off is here. Now don't get confused that multiplication, off means multiplication. Yes, off means multiplication, but then here off is there. So we have to take it as off only. So 5 by 8 into 128. So this is off. So we have to do it first, solve it first, then we have to divide with 4. So what you will do, what will be the answer here? So we can cancel and check 2 into 4, 2 into 64, 2 into 2, 2 into 32, 2 into 1, 2 into 16. So 16 into 5 is how much? 5 into 6 is 30, carry 3, 5 into 1, 6, 7, 8, divide by 4. So your answer will be 20. So that's all. So this type of sum, whenever you get, you have to understand the process first. Very easy sum. It will be long. So don't get afraid by seeing the sum only. It's a very big sum. I can't do. No, it's very easy. You just have to remember the basic property, that is BODMAS rule. So bracket you will open first. So see in this question I have opened all the brackets. First bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Okay. So all the brackets you have to open, and always remember first bracket is the normal bracket, then second bracket is the curly bracket, and third bracket is called the square bracket. Okay. So you need to open all the brackets, then you proceed further. So further off is there. So see here, till here we have opened the bracket only, then we have used the off part. So off is done. After that we have done the divisions part. Okay, then because in this sum there is no multiplication, no addition, no subtraction. Clear? So please practice this type of sum more and more. Thank you so much. Please, if you like my video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Ta-da.